Hello class, I will take a few moments to explain how to self-type for the Myers-Briggs and the Strong-Holland assessments for your discussion post. You should have received a PDF upload of explaining the MBTI. What you'll want to do is read each of the 4 categories in the sheet. The first category is related to extroverts and introverts. The second category is related to sensing and intuition. The third category is based on thinking and feeling. And the last category is based on judging and perceiving. For your self-type, you will read each category and the explanations for each side and give yourself a letter for which side you prefer more. For example, extrovert and introvert. What do you prefer? Are you more extrovert? If you are extrovert, then you will list E. If you are more introvert, then you will list I. You will do the same for the following 3 categories until you have 4 letters. The 4 letters will determine your MBTI type. The second self-type that you will do is for the Strong-Holland. You should have received a PDF that looks similar to what's on the screen. For this example, what you'll need to do is read all 6 categories which are listed. They are realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. For each category, you will use the first letter of the category. So R for realistic, I for investigative, A for artistic, S for social, E for enterprising, and C for conventional. After you have read all 6 categories, make note of your top 3. Place the letter of your most preferred category first, then second, then third. So, for example, for me, my top 3 are social, artistic, and enterprising, which would be SAE. You will place those letters in the handout on the screen I showed you is circled in red. So you'll place those letters in those lines there. You have now developed your Holland Code self-type. Thank you.